Hello, Miss Annie Rose. So, thank you for the observation na dito. Okay, ang explanation yan is magkakaroon tayo ng shearing dito sa part na yan, ano? And then magkakat tayo dito ng section. Tapos i-isolate natin yang part na yan. So, ang i-consider lang natin dito is this section. Tapos, kukunin natin yung summation forces on this part only. Kaya, ganito yon. So, yung shear at this section applies to yung mga vertical forces is yung area nito. No, itong pressure diagram na yan. So, ang dimension nito is 2, tapos L minus X2. And then, rectangle yun, ano? Itong dimension 2 times L minus X2, rectangle yan. And then, ima-minus natin itong smaller triangle. Yan. Okay, so ang dimension nitong smaller triangle is Y2, yung vertical, tapos L minus X2. Which is, ito. So, meron na tayong area. Yan, yung parang trapezoid, ano? And then, ima-minus natin yung axial force na PU1. Kaya, PU1 pa rin talaga ang ilalagay natin dyan. However, kung gusto mo, pwede ka rin mag-cut ng section dito. Yan. So, pwede rin yun. Ngayon, ang kukunin mong summation forces vertical is itong area, yung trapezoid na yan, tsaka PU2. That's the time na dito mo i-consider yung PU2. Okay? So, thank you for your comment. Okay? Good afternoon. Bye-bye.